Okay, I'm changing out my Pet Safe compatible litter, which is more economic for us as a family to keep using the Pet Safe because it is a pricey device. However, this is a life changer and a game changer, I swear. You do not have to change your cat's litter for literally like honestly, like a few months with the Pet Safe. So, okay, I'm gonna put this down and show you. This. Dump that right in. Gonna take this back down like so. Really easy to use this, guys. Like literally life-changing. And this kit comes with 2 packets, 2 packs of that, and this, which is extra strong so that you can put like trash litter in the other, like in here and it won't rip. So love, 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 love this. Can't recommend this enough.